Hello, hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. As you can see, I've done the boho braids and I'm going to show you how I did them. Usually with braids you want the parting to be on point, but you don't have to with these braids. So the back is going to be however, but the front will be on point. I'm going to be using the Shine and Jam, which is a conditioning gel extra hold, and it's got honey extract. So I've never used this before, but a strong hold, so hopefully this stays for as long as possible. Knowing my scalp, I'm probably only going to have it in for a week, but you know what, a girl's gotta try. She's gotta try, right? It smells really nice actually. I'm going to try and do 4 at the back, so 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. It's a normal plait. I'm not going to make them as thin as people usually want them because I just don't have the time. Let one piece out, just like so. Yeah, and then I'm going to let out another piece, and this is the opposite side. Sort of like on that side. I'm gonna put a bit more product in your hand, and you want to run it through as well. Just put it like shingling method, so you have your curl pop in as well. So I started with this other one, so you can see a bit, and I've left 2 out. So sort of in the middle, and then like 3/5 or something of the way, just because, you know, it's how we're doing it. There we go. Now I'm done with the plaiting on this one. And those 2 bits. Run that through again. That looking alright, huh? Let's see how it goes. Wash my hair, it's freshly washed, it's clean. There shouldn't be any dirt. I also did apple cider vinegar rinse as well. So I started at 9:45 and so far it's 10:10. So almost, so 25 minutes so far. Gotta pick up the pace. I've sped up the video because it was going to be very, very long. So here you go. Okay, we're getting there. So I'm about halfway through half of my head, and it's been an hour. So it's not bad actually, if you think about it. Look at this. If I just put too much, it like straightens it. Like, my curls don't want to curl. Right? I want to scrunch. This product is like so strong hold. It's almost ridiculous, right? It's so strong it makes the hair straight. I was thinking, yeah, look at that, right? What a scrunch. Yet my hair is as curly as they come. It's so strange. So strange. So yeah, that's halfway. I must say, this is looking so good. So good. I have done better parting in the front of my hair, as you can see, so it looks much neater, because really the front is what people see. The back, the hair covers it, so yeah. My hair is just falling so much, like I've got to stop and wipe my fingers because it falls so much while I'm plaiting. Like, it's ridiculous. Okay, Okay, so I had to take a break, but this is how it's looking. The dried ones. It took me 2 hours to do all this so far. Braids, and it's now 10 past 1. I'm gonna start again. Shouldn't take me too long, just the front bit left. I've done braids, normal braids, in a video before, so I'll put a link in the comments to that video. This is obviously Boho Braids, Bohemian braids, that's trending. Everyone seems to be doing them, but I also did it without this. It's looking cute, I must say. I'm liking this already. But yeah, so I'll put a link, have a watch, you can see what you think about it. You can see the difference between these braids and normal braids, so the Boho braids and the normal braids, just with my own hair. So I need a protective style, seeing as my hair's falling out, but it needs a break. But I didn't want to do something that weighed my hair down, that was too heavy as well, because I don't want any excess pressure on my poor hair. That's just, it's not having the best fun at the moment. As you can see, these are so easy, by the way. If you mess it up, it's so easy to go back and start again. And you don't have to go all the way back. Just loosen it, just a few braids up, and you're sorted. I do notice some people put them in their mouths, and you might find that easier. But your girl's hair is full of this gel. I just didn't want gel in my mouth, to be fair. You can do it that way, but I just didn't feel like it was for me. And you know, this really should have only taken 2 hours, I think, but your girl's hands are tired. I'm tired. I'm already tired. And I'll be holding a baby on a daily, a lot of the day, a lot. But you know, even, I guess this is a different muscle maybe I'm using now. Look how nice it looks, guys. Definitely love the braids. Anything to do with plaits. I do think, can you see this is where the hair is fallen. I do think anything with plaits looks good on me, I must say. You don't want your hair soaking wet, otherwise this takes forever to dry, unless you're gonna diffuse or something, you know. But like, seriously, you want to start on not dry, but damp to almost on the cusp of drying. I started on wet hair, but I did dry it with the t-shirt, so not obviously completely dry, but I dried it, you know, so it's not so wet, but more on the damp to dry side. Yeah. These are my results. So it took maybe roughly 3 hours to do, roughly, but really it should only take 2 hours. I have to stop and all that stuff, but thanks for watching. Curls by Sharlene. These are my results. Please leave a comment. I want to know what you think. They lasted me a week, and you can refresh as well during the week. So now this is day 4, guys. Day 4. It looks like I did them today. You know, that is day 4. And you can refresh. When you refresh, it looks just perfect. Like, you can keep this longer than a week. I obviously only kept it a week, but what a shame, what a shame. Such great results. I would definitely recommend giving these a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.